What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today, this ship from the Vitamin Shop in Ashland, Virginia to South Bend, Indiana. I'm not going to show you where I live, but let's just say I live there. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos as I'm opening this up. Appreciate each and every one of you. Wish you the best and hope everyone's staying safe. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. Got some paperwork right here. I got some Quest bars. This is Quest protein bar, double chocolate chunk, 4 net carbs, less than a gram of sugar, and 14 grams of fiber. So 24 carbs, negative 14 fibers, negative 6 grams of erythritol leaves you with 4 net carbs. So this is double chocolate chunk. If you want to see my reviews, click on my username, London Hawthorne, after subscribing, after hitting the notification bell. Type in the search bar and you can see what I think about this specific bar. And then last up in this video, this is caramel chocolate chunk, also from Quest Protein. 23 carbs, minus 15 grams of fiber, minus 4 erythritol grams, equals 4 net carbs. So this is 180 calories, 190 calories. Yeah. So this is, you know, a healthy version of candy bars, but it's protein, so when you're working out, you can have some of those. Like I said, if you want to see my taste test, subscribe, share, check out my taste test review. Just type in Quest Caramel Chocolate Chunk and you're going to find my taste test and review of this specific bar. Thanks so much for watching. If you have a suggestion for something even lower carb, lower sugar, or even something that's not, and you just want me to see what I think about it, leave a comment below. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Help me out. Wish you the best. And please stay safe, have fun, and get fit. Have a good one.